Welcome back to Simple Life.
Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon.
Today's recipe: Chicken Curry Pinoy Style. On the preheated pan, add the cooking oil. Add the potatoes, followed by the carrot. Salt to taste. Set aside. On the same pan, add a little bit of oil. Add the chicken. Stir-fry the chicken for about 5 minutes, then set aside. On the same pan, add again a bit of oil. Then add the garlic and ginger, onion, tomatoes. Simmer for 5 minutes in medium heat. Add the green chilli. Then put back the chicken. Add the turmeric powder. Simmer. Now add the curry powder. Simmer for 15 minutes in medium heat. Add the bay leaves. Simmer for another 10 minutes in low heat. Now add the potato and carrots. Simmer for 5 minutes. Our chicken curry Pinoy style is ready. Transfer to a serving bowl.
You are watching Simple Life.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and share our video for today.
Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon.